Good morning, this is Victoria Flame Voice, and probably today I need to do a laundry again because on the picture you could see Ohiopyle River, and it was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place and amazing hiking. And I'm a person who loves to swim and any kind of water adventure. Couldn't stay away from the water. So I actually crossed crossed the river, and yes, it was already washed. And I did enjoy it. It was literally cool adventure, especially when water it actually literally so strong and try to take you away from the other side of the river. Anyway, it was cool adventure. Have a great day.